initiate, it was a very good prayer song by Jocelyn Joseph. That was a very strong message, and I would like to congratulate you for this beginning. And the right man at the right chair is for you to guide it. Your principal sir, the entire motivation that he has given you for to proceed with, considering the COVID in background. So you have to take care of your health. Alongside that, you have to see this as an opportunity, because post 2020, it's all the time you are going in your young age or coming era, you're going to face the uncertainty, and uncertainty is going to be an exception. So just try to innovate, search for innovation, and the best place to innovate is your college. So college provide you the platform to explore, like your principal said. But right now, I think the vibe in college is not present as usual, like before the times of COVID, like was there. College is known by that kind of a vibe. But still, try to focus on your health, try to focus on your peer groups, build your mental strength, follow some sports. That would be my initial suggestion for you. And the life is evolved. Your aspiration will evolve with time. It is not like that you are considering that there is one center of goal for you. It will keep evolving. For example, for me, there was some goal just to achieve a Indian administrative service, and after that, the goal keep changing. That to serve the aspiration of people, to serve the aspiration of people in right manner, like that. So hopefully, this academic year will bring you lots of joy, and hopefully, we'll finish this COVID situation. COVID pandemic will be get soon over, and you guys can meet with each other, and you can enjoy the vibe of the college. More than that, I would like to congratulate you on the World Tourism Day, that you are beginning your academic year inauguration. You have born in the district which is full of potential of tourism, and everybody is here. I think the young flag holder for this tourism. Hopefully, everybody is born in this district only. So my strong message would be that this whole district have the only one backbone, that is belongs to tourism. Whole economic propels around that particular thing. So if some of you are interested to work for this tourism, and if you are willing to do it, my office is always open. Some kind of a research, some kind of innovation that you have in mind, please approach us, because you are the young breed. You have the innovation angle with you, and this is the right time to go ahead with this kind of a project. Uh, and my strong message to all of you is that do not use the plastics. Keep using the cloth bags, and just promote in your neighborhood, especially in the shops, neighborhood areas, to use the paper bags made of newspaper. Do not use the plastics as such. With that words, I would say that lots of warm wishes to you, and have the conviction, have the wings of courage to fly wherever you want. Keep the aspiration high, and all the best for your future. Sahridayam Sneham Ashamsakal.